Tesla's Giga Berlin D-Day delivery celebration details revealed. Imagine taking delivery of your new German-built Tesla Model Y to your own personal choice of music. That's right. You can now get a German-built. Of course you can. The event scheduled to take place at Giga Berlin on March 22, 2022. Previously based on invitations shared on social media, we learned that it will begin at 3 p.m. local time. However, it has become clear that there is a whole series of events planned beginning as early as 9 a.m. on the factory site. It appears the 3 p.m. time slot is reserved for an official group photo of the customers taking delivery of a new Model Y. They'll participate in a handover event that runs from 1:30 to 2:30. So you get a group photo, you get the handover event. It's a big show. There's 4,000 guests, and they'll be delivering the first 30 made in Germany Model Y crossovers. Elon Musk might possibly even be there. What do you say, Will? You want Elon to hand over your German-built Model Y?
Absolutely.
What do you do? A photo? Do you do a handshake? Do you do a fist bump? What do you do?
Yeah, I'll give him a hug.
Not even one of the options.
Be like, you're the man.
What? What if he doesn't embrace you?
He pushes me away. Yeah, I'd probably do that. I'll be okay with it. I'll be in the news.
I feel like Will's lying to us right now. I feel like he's not going in for the hug.
Well, I just imagine when you got your Porsche, you like this story reminded me.
Yeah, I hugged everyone. I just started hugging people.
Really?
Other customers.
The Porsche CEO.
That's right.
There was champagne, and it was like very elaborate and very nice.
Right.
And,
they made a video about it.
They made a video.
I
Yeah,
believe
they did.
I believe they made a video, but I don't know. I didn't mind. I was like, it's fine.
Okay.
But that's more on the dealer side. Like the dealer is
Yes.
trying to have a personal relationship. So then
Yes.
you come back and you. I guess this is kind of
It
like
just
that. Well,
reminds me
Tesla
of
is
this.
the dealer
Yes.
when it comes to
Right.
Tesla delivery, and in this case, it's at their plant. So I don't know how they decided on 30 Model Ys, but I guess it's a fine number, and they figured we can deliver 30 of them. It's mostly a celebration for the plant and everybody that worked so hard to
Sure.
get it up to speed. And
Which I appreciate. Like that kind of delivery, and then, it's a whole party celebration.
so are you saying you have similar expectations for your Bronco?
Yes. Yes.
You
I want
want-
Elon to deliver the Bronco.
Did you go to a local dealer for that?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay, I'm very curious.
What do you
about
mean?
Physically,
this
you
now.
went
Wait, what do you mean? Like go to a local dealer?
I just don't know how it works when you do the order process online, and you or if you leave a down payment, or if you go to a dealer. I don't know.
Yeah,
how
I
it works.
went to a dealer.
You went to a dealer.
Mainly because I want to see the Bronco in person.
Okay.
But I ended up putting a deposit.
So this dealer has a lot of pressure on them right now.
They don't know me.
Yeah, but
I don't care.
what do you mean you don't care? You just said you want a whole nice thing with
Well,
hugs
if
and
I'm
everything.
planning to get like a Model Y at the time of this opening in Berlin,
Let me tell you something, Will.
that's a
There's a
occasion.
lot of pressure on this dealer to give you the experience you deserve.
Well, I would appreciate it for sure.
Oh.
All right, dealer,
Wink,
you
wink.
heard.
The truth comes out. I would appreciate it. That's for sure.
Yeah.
The truth comes out from Willie Do. Yeah, if you have
I bring my own champagne.
if you have a terrible experience though, then it's a problem, right?
Yeah, I get it.
Shout out Medicated Kid. What would be the shelf life of a Tesla car battery? Well, I don't know. It's going to depend. There's a lot of environmental factors like temperature and things like this. A few years, maybe 100,000 miles, something like that. I don't know. I haven't heard of too many people replacing them at this point, but I presume it happens. Tesla battery replacement. Imagine, well, you don't throw them in the trash.
No.
But yeah, it's gonna be a few years for sure.